to set it up. Then we have our head strap here. Alright, let's go ahead and open it up. And let's go ahead and install it. Alright, so installation looks like it's going to be pretty easy. Alright guys, so installation is pretty simple. If you can already read the instructions, so if you can see all you have to do is push this in. You want to go ahead and make sure that that is all the way in and it's already secure. And I'm going to push this one in. Alright, so once it's already in, if you can see this right here, it has sponge, and then this one, and then this one. So it's really cool. And then your head is going to be, headset is going to be available to adjust to your head here. If you can see, this is something that is mechanical, so that is something really nice and cool. I'm sure your friends are going to be impressed once you use it. So to put them in, all you have to do is put them in. Then you're going to move it around where it's already set up, secure on your head. And then you can either let go or adjust. So as you can see, it's way better than just this strap right here. It's super light. It's already set up on your head, which is not going to move. You can play around, you can move around without any issues. And if you can see there, it's really nice. It's really easy to take care of. This one, if you can see, they get really dirty really fast. This is plastic, so they'll take care. The materials are really nice. I really love this. So once you're finished with it, all you have to do is put it back, and then you can go ahead and store it. It has this metal side here, which makes them even look way cooler than just this. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this video was helpful for you guys. You have